Hey everybody, this is Marc Webel with Transwest Truck Trailer and RV here in Belton, Missouri. It's actually a sunny, nice spring day here. We had a bunch of storms roll through yesterday, so beautiful day here, just 20 minutes south of Kansas City, an hour away from Kansas City International Airport. So if you're looking at this video from somewhere else in the country, we are easily accessible. We sell the majority of our coaches to people all over the country. So today we're looking at a brand new Newmar Country Star, a great way to affordably get into a Newmar coach. This is their introductory diesel pusher. This one's a great coach. It's got opposing seating with the kitchen, bath and a half. This model is the 4037. As always, if you click on the window sticker on our website below, you can see exactly how this coach is optioned out. But this one's, like I said, got the Manitoba decor, special order exterior graphics, a one-of-a-kind paint job, and the Arctic glazed maple, the light interior. Again, this is a great day to kind of look at a coach like this because you got all your windows open, you got the light cabinetry. This coach is extremely, a bright coach. It's just got tons of those older coaches that you get into that feel dark and dreary. This is a happy coach. You're going to love being out on the campsite, spinning around. And again, with the Newmar, with the Country Star, you get all of Newmar's quality. You get into the diesel pusher. This coach is just over 40 feet long, got the nice big square shower in the back, but allows you to have all the livability but not step up into one of their luxury lines. I mean, even the Ventana Dutch Star go above this. Still a spectacular coach. Shoot, right now we've still got the engine running. It's super quiet in here. This is just a great way to get Newmar's quality at a more affordable price point. And we've got amazing pricing on these right now. So if you're interested in this coach or any of our other Country Stars, let us know. We are more than happy to help you out however we can. But as always, we're going to start up front, kind of look through the cab here. This unit has a 360 horsepower Cummins engine, got the Allison transmission. This is on a Freightliner chassis. So tons of pulling power, 10,000 pound tow rating. If you're hauling around a small trailer or a car, you're going to have no problem getting up and down mountains and hills. Obviously, you're going to know you're going up and down them, but with that diesel power, that torque, you're going to be able to go basically anywhere you want to go. It's got the dual monitor display. You've got your camera systems. We've got Mobileye up front. The cameras allow you, obviously, as you're turning or backing in, makes it so much easier to park your coach and know when you're merging. The Mobileye up front alerts you if you're getting out of your lane without having your turn signal on. You got charging ports up here for your phones, and the electronic dash, and always Newmar's Comfort Drive. If you've never experienced Newmar's Comfort Drive, or if you're looking at another model, the Comfort Drive is an amazing option that allows you to basically tighten up the steering. If you're driving somewhere where you've got a lot of wind, we're here in the Midwest, driving across Kansas, heading out to Colorado where we've got some other stores, it really makes a huge difference. If you drive a coach right now, that when you get to where you're going, you're wore out, you can't wait to get set up and take a break. When you have the Newmar Comfort Drive, I've heard from many people that have come from other brands that all of a sudden now you don't have that feeling of being tired from sawing on the wheel the whole way across Kansas because you had a big wind. Now you're still going to feel it, but when you tighten it up, you just don't have that play now. But then when you get in maybe a country road, or you're in the mountains and you're going back and forth, you loosen that Comfort Drive up, and then all of a sudden you can turn that wheel with one finger, or you're parking it. So it just makes a huge difference. Comfort Drive is something that Newmar's been doing for a long time and makes a great difference in the drivability and your comfortability driving the coach and making sure that you're not wore out when you get to where you're going. As we move back into the living space, theater seats, love theater seats. They're so comfortable. Great storage in between. little shelf here you can move around. You can put all sorts of stuff down in the bottom of that. Seen people put dog beds in there if they got a dog. You've got your TV lift over there. You know, we've got a Jackknife Sofa here that comes out flat, so you can sleep 2 people there. If you took me along, I'd be probably sleeping in the theater seats, and then your dinette goes down into a sleeping space. And the other great thing about the Jackknife Sofa is if you do have maybe another couple, or you're traveling with some adult kids or something like that, put that Jackknife Sofa out, put some little ones on it, and then you can put a full-size air mattress in between for sleeping, or like I said, you can put the dinette down. Tons of extra sleeping space in this coach. Pull-out countertop is always great. Then you get huge, deep drawers. Soft clothes. Again, you're getting all of Newmar's quality in this coach. This model has the gas stove, 3 burners. Then you got your induction cooktop up here, I'm sorry, you've got your convection microwave, and then drawers down below because there's no stove in this one. Nice doubleable sink. You know, if you're ever looking at a Newmar too, if you want to come back over here, Miss Katie, here's all your VIN information, and then here's all your Newmar information. You can see our paint codes, and then the serial number. When you get a Newmar, you can go online and register your coach with Noogle, which is a excuse me, an online database that is specific to this coach. Once you buy it, you go in, you put your VIN, your serial number, model number in there, and they've got all sorts of videos and help links and all that you can go through for this specific model to help you out. You know, a lot of times you can always call the customer service number that's up on the window. You can always call me as a salesman, but a lot of times people can find all the information they need on that Noogle website. You know, they've got videos, how to, a great resource if you're a Newmar owner. But you know, again, great storage in this coach, deep cabinets. These are always fun. I like to open this up because these are not a tall cabinet, because you have this header here, and this is what makes Newmar's slides so solid. You have that actual header that goes all the way across. Got your sound bar up top, and over this side, again, a little bit more storage, nice and deep, solid Newmar's cabinetry. You know, just when you close, like, this is a solid built coach. There is no doubt about it. And like I said, we've got the rear engine going with the rear diesel. You know, your engine's 40 feet behind you in this. So as you're driving, like right now, we just turned everything off. It's almost so quiet in here because Newmars are so well insulated with their 16-inch on center construction, and they really overbuild them everywhere. But you almost have an echo in here once you close it all up because it's so sealed off. That's why it's when you know the difference. Newmars are the quietest going down the road, the warmest or coldest, what you need them to be in the campground. And you know, when you turn on, say, your AC or your heat, and those heat pumps going, you almost hear no outside noise. It almost takes care of everything. So as we move back, now we've got our Whirlpool fridge next to a really deep, great pantry space in this coach. Nice big shelves. Half bath. We have the central vac system in this as well. Nice storage in there. Way they angle the toilet in there, you got plenty of room, especially when the door closes. Is the way that sets up. That way you can open that door when you're going down the road, and then when you're in there, it gives you more space. The big new Newmar touchscreen. shows you all of your systems, how much battery you have left. Control all of your heating and cooling. Then you can set your lights. Nice, big, easy, wonderful. So, king bed in this unit. Here's your mattress for your dinette to come down to a sleeper. Great little window here with a little space if you've got some pictures or things you like to put up. Slide controls are over there along with your panels. Nice big hanging boards for your hanging clothes, and you've got your drawers below, which allow you to carry all the other necessities with you. You've got panels above the bed there so that you can access it when you're in bed, and then you've got additional storage up above the bed. Nice nightstands with the USB ports and plugs next to them. Always important. And, you know, a lot of people always ask, you know, can you get by? I mean, making a bed can always be a pain, and you can get all the way back here. Set your sheets up however you want them. Nice and easy. And then the great thing about this coach is that you still have a full bath in the back. You got your washer and dryer over in the corner. Got your egress door that's there in case you ever have an issue or you need a load from bed to back. That way you don't have to go up front if, God forbid, you ever had a fire up front or a generator issue. You've got tons of storage space back here. Big rear sink. And then the square shower. I can't tell you how important that is. Those square showers make such a difference. They've got so much more space. And then another hanging area. Nice, deep. So tons of storage. So for an affordably priced Newmar, it's really hard to beat this setup. If you want the quality, you want the livability, the styling, this one, like I said, so light. It's got so much, you know, just opens the space up. So if I can help you with this coach, remember, click on that window sticker. You can see everything that this has. And then always the second page on these Newmar sheets are where you can see exactly how many options this one has. And you can see up-to-date pricing. If you have trades, we do take trades. So if there's anything I can help you out with this, this Country Star, the 4037, we've got a couple 3709s. We've got tons of Ventanas, tons of Dutch Stars, and all the way up to King Airs right now. We're a full-line Newmar dealer. Is Miss Katie, if she can swing over here, she can show you our house shop. I mean, we've got an amazing service facility that most people in this country do not have. We are truly blessed to have an on-site chassis shop and a house RV shop. So, again, my name is Mark, M-A-R-C. My information's below. If I can help you out with this coach or anything else, if you wanted a more extended video on this coach or something else, just let me know. I'd love to help you out however I can. Hope you have a wonderful day, and hopefully we'll be talking soon.